If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. Today I will show you how to increase the font size in Azure Data Studio. In this case, we want to increase the font size of the query editor. We go to the settings, and then you can see editor font size. If you don't see it here, you can search font size. For example, if we change it to 20, the font will be a lot bigger. The other way is to search for settings file, click in edit in settings, and here we can type this code to increase the font size. For example, if we change something like to 25, the font increase. Thank you.